Welcome to 20 Car. Nissan, a prominent car manufacturing company known for producing high-performance vehicles, has unveiled their latest creation, the 2025 Nissan GT-R R36 Nismo. This new addition to the GT-R lineup promises to push the boundaries of performance and technology even further, building on the legacy of its predecessors. Under the hood, the 2025 Nissan GT-R R36 Nismo is powered by a potent engine that delivers an impressive amount of power. With a turbocharged V6 engine, this car is capable of producing over 700 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful GT-R models to date. Acceleration is where the GT-R truly shines, and the 2025 Nissan GT-R R36 Nismo is no exception. This beast can go from 0 to 100 km/h in just under 3 seconds, showcasing its incredible speed and agility on the road. When it comes to its competitors, the 2025 Nissan GT-R R36 Nismo has set the bar high. Its closest rivals struggle to match its power and performance, making it a tough contender in the world of high-performance sports cars. Nissan has consistently seen strong sales numbers for the GT-R lineup, with enthusiasts and collectors alike clamoring to get their hands on these powerful machines. With its reputation for speed and precision, the 2025 Nissan GT-R R36 Nismo is expected to continue this trend and attract a loyal following. Available in a range of striking colors, including classic shades like red, black, and white, as well as more daring options like blue and silver. Buyers can personalize their GT-R to suit their style and preferences. As for pricing, the 2025 Nissan GT-R R36 Nismo is expected to come with a premium tag due to its high-performance capabilities and cutting-edge technology. However, for those who appreciate top-of-the-line performance and exhilarating driving experiences, the price is sure to be worth every penny. In conclusion, the 2025 Nissan GT-R R36 Nismo is a formidable force in the world of sports cars, with its exceptional power, speed, and style setting it apart from the competition.